Naalala niyo pa ba before when Sangyup was super hype at kahit saan pipila ka na mahigit isang oras para kumain? I got curious again so tinry ko kumain sa isang top-rated Sangyupsalan here in Makati called Muhan Sangyupsal. Ang price range nila is around 499 to 799. Nag-avail ako ng only pork, beef, shabu-shabu, and scallops for 599 pesos. Since gusto ko nga ng may sabaw din para hindi masyadong dry sa feeling pag kumain. First, napansin ko yung service nila mabilis at super accommodating since only naman ito mostly ang in-order ko is puro beef para masulit and mabusog ako. Ito pala yung mga inclusions sa set menu. May steamed egg, random Korean side dishes, kimchi bulgogi, lettuce, cheesy scallops, rice, and enoki roll beef. May kasama ring ramen noodles pero di ko na siya tinry sa shabu-shabu because I want the plain beef broth lang. For the price, sulit naman but nabitin lang ako sa marinated beef option. Sana mas maraming choices or variety. But still okay kasi madaming side dishes and the service was really good. Plus, may cheese pa for the beef na medyo creamy. Wala rin masyadong pila that time so hindi na rin ako masyado nag-antay. Ibang-iba na siya sa panahon noon but still the same quality. Will you also try it? Because